This is Nathan with Start a Juice Bar. I'm here with Lindsay from New Roots Juice Company in Fayetteville, Arkansas. We just finished another amazing training. We just wanted to ask you, how was your experience working with Start a Juice Bar? And what would you say to anyone who is on the fence about working with us?
Yeah, I would say super great experience. I could not have done it without you guys, from walking me through recipes, designing my menu, cleanse program, to organizing, training my staff. I just feel a whole lot better about launching this, and so definitely helped calm anxiety, fear, and really just give me confidence in not just myself but in my staff, more confidence in just how the ins and outs of everything go. So yeah, I would say don't hesitate. For sure, hire them to come out and train your staff. No regrets at all.